Hi everyone, how are you today on Sunday? I'm just checking in as I do. We just wrapped up the week on sexuality through the lifespan, and you guys got to argue whether or not, or you had to argue an opposing viewpoint. So I look forward to see um, how you took the other side. I think in some ways that's a good exercise for all sorts of things in life, but it's always interesting to argue what you don't really believe. All right, well, so we're moving on to what a lot of people call sexual dysfunctions and atypical sexual variations. I think we spent part of this summer to or this semester, excuse me, talking about how sexuality is really a spectrum and that people are going to make different choices. And when we label something as normal or not normal, we stigmatize people. That being said, there are people that have problems with sexuality, be performance or whatever, that you'll read about, but there's also just different things that make people interested and different things that are attractive to people. And so as you read this week, you're going to read about different what they call the paraphilias, which are the different kind of types of things that make people aroused. So some of them will probably be new to you, and you might find them curious or interesting. So I hope that gets you discussing things. Yeah, so that's what you're doing this week, and I look forward to seeing you all in the forums. Take good care.